Welcome to my channel, My PC Tricks. Here are some basic computer shortcut keys that can be useful. Number 1. Ctrl+C, copy selected text or files. Number 2. Ctrl+X, cut selected text or files. Number 3. Ctrl+V, paste copied or cut text or files. Number 4. Ctrl+Z, undo the last action. Number 5. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action. Number 6. Ctrl+A, select all text or files. Number 7. Ctrl+S, save the current document or file. Number 8. Ctrl+P, print the current document. Number 9. Ctrl+F, find a specific word or phrase in a document or web page. Number 10. Ctrl+N, open a new document or window. Number 11. Ctrl+O, open an existing document or file. Number 12. Ctrl+W, close the current window or tab. Number 13. Ctrl+Tab, switch between open tabs or documents. Number 14. Ctrl+Shift+ESC, open the Task Manager, Windows. Number 15. Ctrl+Alt+Delete, access the System Options menu, Windows. Number 16. Ctrl+Alt+T, open a new terminal window, Linux. Number 17. Alt+Tab, switch between open applications or windows. Number 18. F1, open the help menu or get context-specific help. Number 19. F5, refresh the current page or document. Number 20. Escape, cancel or close a current action or dialog box. These are just a few examples, and the actual shortcuts can vary depending on the operating system and software you are using. So in the next videos we will discuss about the shortcuts depending on the operating system. And if you want this type of videos, please follow my YouTube channel and subscribe. We will see you on next video. Thank you.